Oh, how's it going today there, YouTube? Well, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning right now, just having our Timmy's coffee right now. As you guys all know, I'm addicted to Tim Hortons, so that's a necessity. But I had kind of a late night up here last night. Sure as most of you saw on Instagram. Oh, it stinks in this place. Sure, most of you saw on Instagram. I had kind of a late night out here in the old tractor shop. Decided I'd go ahead and paint my wheels on the old 1828 over here. Turned out pretty good. But I got to thinking of an old story while I was out here spraying away. Before getting to that though, I want to talk about the little giveaway here for a minute. I think in a couple days we've had that going already. We've already had 25 people enter. If you haven't already entered that giveaway, make sure you go over that video, leave a comment. Doesn't cost you nothing. Get yourself in for that little 1850 all-livery tractor if you're interested in winning that. And like I said, on Labor Day Monday, we'll put your name in the hat and we'll pull a name out. Anyway, here's what we got with the old tractor now. I still got to do the inside of the back wheels. I don't know if you guys can get that on camera. See? Ooh, nice and shiny. Somebody left a big mess in here too to clean up, so I did the insides and outsides of the front wheels already. So they turned out alright. I mean, for something that's cast iron and been painted on for many years, they just cleaned up alright. It didn't get too deep in it. I was out here at almost 11 o'clock last night and painting around and whatnot, so that's probably the best one of all of them, really. But yeah, the old story over here goes, there's a apple tree out in one of the fields that great grandfather wanted to remove. This is going back way back. It's going back in 1940 kind of time. Of course, when the tractor was in its working years, of course. Good hot coffee. Hot coffee's always good. Anyway, yeah. If any of you guys get looking real close to the tractor, you'll see one side's got thicker spokes in the wheels. I think it's this side. You see how the spokes are a lot thicker. I'm not going to touch the wheels because they're still kind of sticky. This side over here has got skinnier spokes in it. The reason for that is because, well, like I said, my great grandfather wanted to remove an apple tree with said tractor, and well, what ended up happening is instead of moving the tree, he actually broke the spokes inside the wheel here. So the spokes all broke inside the wheels, and of course the tractor flops down to one side after that, and then of course you got to get a new wheel made up. And that's the number one reason why this tractor's never been in the tractor pull and never will go in the tractor pull, because, well, sure enough, if you break one of the spokes in the wheels nowadays, you're SOL, as they say. So it's kind of one of the neat little facts of the tractor here, I guess. He's awesome. Got a big grain up here last night. A lot of bugs out here this morning, so it must taste good or something. But anyway, oh, maybe I'll get it out, get it in the sunlight and whatnot, and we'll let the paint dry up a little bit. Of course, the new paint does look good with the new paint in the rad tank here too, so I still got to come in here and clean this up a little bit better, but that's a job for another time. But yeah, anyway, just a kind of a short and sweet video here for you guys this morning. It's something for you guys to watch while you're drinking your coffee too. But anyway, speaking of coffee, I'm gonna go enjoy mine, and if you guys like what you see, please comment, rate, subscribe as usual. I don't even know if YouTube fan mail is still even a thing or not, but if you're interested in the piece of fan mail, the P.O. box address in the description box down below. And if you haven't entered the giveaway yet, make sure you leave a comment to that video. Go over there, leave yourself a comment, and get yourself entered in that draw. Anyway, you guys have a good day.